The HENCKELS Clad H3 8-inch induction frying pan is a solid choice for any kitchen. It's made of stainless steel. This makes it strong and long-lasting. The pan heats up quickly and evenly on all stovetops, including induction. Cleaning the HENCKELS Clad H3 8-inch induction frying pan is also a breeze. Food doesn't stick easily. A simple wash with soap and water usually does the trick. This pan offers a great combination of durability and ease of use. This frying pan is like a reliable workhorse in your kitchen. It can handle everyday cooking tasks without any fuss. The 8-inch size is perfect for cooking single servings or smaller meals. You can use it to fry eggs, sauté vegetables, or sear chicken. The stainless steel material ensures even heat distribution. This means your food will cook properly without hot spots. The HENCKELS Clad H3 8-inch induction frying pan is designed for convenience and performance. It won't let you down. If you are looking for a dependable frying pan, this one is worth considering. The HENCKELS Clad H3 8-inch induction frying pan offers good value for its price. It's durable, easy to clean, and works well on induction cooktops. While it might not have fancy features like some Viking or glass cookware, it gets the job done effectively. Its simple design and sturdy construction make it a practical addition to your pots and pans collection. You'll appreciate its ease of maintenance and consistent cooking results. Ratings are generally positive for this pan. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: durable build, easy to clean, metal utensil safe, oven safe, even heating, good heat control. Comfortable handle, dishwasher safe. Cons: food might stick, not fully non-stick, can be temperamental, may need oil, no lid for 8-inch. Some find it heavy, quality issues seen, not always durable features. HENCKELS brand, Clad H3 series 8-inch size, induction ready, frying pan type, stainless steel, durable build, easy to clean, quality material, heats evenly. This HENCKELS Clad H3 8-inch frying pan is made of stainless steel and is designed to work on all stovetops, including induction. It's built to last and is easy to clean, making it a good choice for everyday cooking. The pan heats food evenly, which helps you cook your meals just right. This HENCKELS frying pan is made of stainless steel and is built to last. Plus, it's easy to clean and safe to use with metal tools. You can even put it in the oven and dishwasher. It heats food evenly and has good heat control with a comfy handle. However, some people have found that food might stick. It's not completely non-stick, and it can be a bit picky about how you use it, sometimes needing oil. The 8-inch size doesn't come with a lid, and some think it feels a little heavy. There have also been some reports of quality issues and it not always being as long-lasting as expected.